This video is gonna be a video about the mural where I will paint the space. And you can paint absolutely different spaces. This is more realistic sky.
Yeah. No, I like that better.
Hey, what's up guys? How you doing? This video is gonna be a video about the mural where I will paint the space. And now I get a client who wants me to paint a mural in her gym. She sent me a couple of examples what she expects. She wants colors. I made a couple sketch. And now I'm on my way to confirm the last things and start painting. I think the plan is going to be much better.
Okay, do it. You're the artist, not me. You do it.
You will
Oh,
here,
but
right?
that's pretty too.
And this is more realistic style, right?
Yeah. No, I like that better.
Mural complete and client already saw. She loved it. Thank you for watching. If you like it, thumbs up, follow, put any comments. Thank you and see you on the next video. Bye.